Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So the videos have been getting so much love, and you guys have my heart. You guys are amazing. You've been supporting me so well, and today I thought of creating this very different tutorial, which is all about creating this makeup look without any eyeshadow palette. So no eyeshadow palette, nothing is coming in, only products that you have for your face work for your eyes. Yes, basically just that. Okay, we do have mascara because there's no substitute for mascara, and then everything literally falls off if you use powder or any other product. So we are not changing the mascara. Apart from that, all of these are regular products that every brown girl, every girl would be having in general. You do not need anything but just these three products to create this eye look, guys. Look at how stunning that is. This is done with just three products, and I think this is a beautiful full glam look, and I am in love with it. What do you think? Without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. If you do not have any eyeshadow palette, what you can do is you can take a black liner, smudge it in, right? Like put a line here and then smudge this. I'm going to teach you on one eye first. I'm taking my eyeliner brush, smudging it in here. So we are going to create a smoky look with this, and then we are going to blend it into the brown liner. Like my kajal is pretty blendable, so I can even use my fingertip to blend this up. Like if you don't have a brush, this comes in really handy as one of my favorite techniques. So this just smokes out your eye and at the same time creates a very diffuse look. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brown contour and I'm going to pat it on this so that this doesn't smudge further. Taking more of it and just patting it on top of my black liner. This gives a very diffused brown tone eyeshadow look, and here's your eyeshadow. Look at how amazing that is, and this way it won't even go on your lid area. And to complete this look, I'm taking my highlighter on the ring finger, just going to blend it out and put a little here so that it gives a very nice shiny glossy look to the eye. Look at how stunning that looks. Can you see the difference, guys? This is all done with fingers, nothing, just your kajal, your contour and your highlighter, and we are good. We've just created an eye look with the same. For the lower eye, what you can do is you can take a liner, blend it in, and you are sorted. This is my kajal, so just applied the kajal. I'm going to smoke this out to give it a very diffused look. This way my look is complete, and now I'm going to take my mascara to complete this eye look, and there you have it, the most beautiful and subtle eye look without any eyeshadow palette. All you need is leftover products, and all you need is a contour and a highlighter, a kajal and a mascara, and you have a complete eye look. What do you think of this one? I think this looks very beautiful. I'll show you the full look once when we are done with the complete look. Look at how stunning that looks. That's the difference between both the eyes. This is looking so beautiful. I love how it has come out. Very beautifully done. Well, this is how it has turned out on both the eyes and post my makeup. Look at how gorgeous the eyes look, and they look pretty worked up even though we've just used 3 products to create this entire look. It took total 5 minutes to create this smoked out look without investing into an eyeshadow palette, and this is a very easy look and you can create it with any drugstore product. I have already shown you the products that I used. My highlighter and my contour both are from the Kylie palette that I always use. My kajal is from this homegrown brand called S Beauty, which I showed you guys on my Instagram, and the mascara is from Too Faced. It's a brown mascara. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be so grateful to each and every one of you. And for those who continuously support me, just heart for you all. I'll see you very soon. Much love. Mwah. Bye.